A strong earthquake was felt in the capital Dhaka and various parts of the country on Friday 21 November at 10:38 am. Lasting for a few seconds, the earthquake caused panic in different areas of Dhaka and many people rushed out of their homes to take shelter on the streets. Rubaiyat Kabir, the acting officer of the Earthquake Monitoring Center at the Bangladesh Meteorological Department, stated that the earthquake measured 5.7 on the Richter scale and originated in Madhabdi, Narshingdi, 13 kilometers from Dhaka. Meanwhile, the U.S. Geological Survey (USGS) reported that the earthquake's magnitude was 5.5 with its epicenter in Narshingdi. According to Google Earthquake Alerts, the earthquake measured 5.2 on the Richter scale. Since the epicenter was close to the capital, the earthquake was particularly strongly felt in Dhaka. The earthquake was also felt in the neighboring country, India. NDTV reported that although the earthquake was felt in Kolkata and surrounding areas of West Bengal, there were no immediate reports of damage or casualties. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.